Just me and my bottles.
Me and my bottles, just me and my bottles.
Today on Deck and Jew, we are making a cocktail, and this recipe is by our friends at I'd Rather Be Meryl, which is an amazing blog if you don't already know about it. They have the most superb wine tips. Like if you want to know the best bottles of wine at Trader Joe's or what to bring to Thanksgiving dinner, they've got your back. Two of my favorite things about this cocktail. One, the name is My Girlfriend in Tacoma. The second thing is, even though we're opening fresh bottles of rosé, Dylan said that this is the perfect cocktail if you have like the dregs of some leftover rosé in your fridge, which we've all been there.
And as of late, they've served as our Amaro guiders.
Once you're able to get Amaro, this is actually a super straightforward cocktail. Oh my God, I'm just doing this on camera and botching it. Oh my.
Embarrassing! You're gonna load up a glass with a bunch of ice, and this is just like your mixing glass. So that's it.
I'm just gonna use the bottom of my penguin. First thing, you're gonna add 1.5 ounces of your Amaro, which I think this is a double shot glass or it's a flower base. I don't actually know. 1.5 ounces of your rosé. Okay, so then you're just going to stir it around with your ice. Okay, not for too long because then the ice will melt too much. And then you're just gonna strain it, right?
Yep. So we're just gonna pour our strained cocktail over the glass or over the ice. Whoops, oh God. This is the most important part, apparently, according to Dylan. Just twisting it a little bit, and then I'm gonna drop it in and do a swirl.
Cheers.
Yum.
As I was setting my glass back down, I just got this massive whiff of grapefruit. And I don't know that I tasted it, but I smelled it, and oh man.
Even though this is like a honey kind of sweet Amaro, it still has that kind of medicinal bitterness at the very, very end.
Totally.
Lightly. And I just think that the grapefruit complements that so well.
Yeah. This is very tasty.
Super good. I understand why on their website it says that this is like the summer drink, because I could drink this all summer long.
Definitely.
Okay, well, I'm going to enjoy this in my scorching hot apartment.
I'm going to go find my dog.
One more thing, Dakota. Like and subscribe.
We have never asked people on our videos to subscribe before because it feels really shameless, but it really helps us out. And every time we see a new subscriber, we literally jump for joy. So if you feel like making someone's day, all you have to do is subscribe and you'll get 2 for 1.